Hello everyone, Peppermint here. Today I'm going to show you how I made this little purple snowflake. I started out with about 3/4 of a yard of 30 gauge wire, and I'm picking up 5 6/0 seed beads. They're silver, and I'm going through these beads twice. And then I'm going to twist them off after I get them into a circle. This is what it should look like, and now I'm going to go through the first bead to get a good start on this. Picking up 2 seed beads, a purple bead, and 2 seed beads. These purple beads are 8mm faceted round beads. They're plastic. Going through that same bead again in the center of the ornament, plus going through the next seed bead in the center. Next, I will be picking up 2 seed beads and a purple faceted bead. Right there it is. Next, I will be going through the 2 seed beads that are from the previous loop, and then I'll be going through the next 2 seed beads in the center of the ornament. Then I'm going to be picking up 2 seed beads and a purple faceted bead, and I'm going to go through the 2 seed beads from the previous loop again. And this is the pattern that I will do all the way around, and there will be 5 faceted beads. So this will be done 5 times. Here is the last loop. I'm going through the 2 seed beads in the center, and then I will go over through the 2 seed beads from the very first original loop. And all I will be stringing this time is 1 purple faceted bead. There it is. And now I'm going to go through the 2 previous seed beads from the last loop. Next, I will be going through the center seed bead, and then I will be going through the 2 seed beads beside of the purple, and then I will be going through the purple faceted bead. There's the 2 that go in between the purple. Going through the purple faceted bead. And now I'm going to pick up 2 silver seed beads and 12 white 6/0 seed beads. And that is what you should have. And then you're going to run the end of the wire through the 2 silver seed beads. And then you will go through the next purple faceted bead. Picking up 2 silver seed beads and 12 white seed beads again, and going back through the 2 silver seed beads, and then going through the purple bead, and that is the pattern all the way around. And I'm going to call these little white things, I'm going to call them petals, because when we get finished it's going to look like a little flower at first. Okay, when the wires meet up, I'm going to twist them off. Okay, I'm getting a fresh piece of wire here, and that is how I fix my ends so that the beads will not fall off. Next, I will be stringing the wire through the first 2 white seed beads from the inside of the ornament to the out. Then I'm going to string on a silver bead, a purple bead, and a silver bead. Then I'm going to go through the adjacent petal and go towards the center of the petal. And when I get to the silver beads, I will be going through those as well. Then through the next 2 seed beads. Then I'll string on a silver bead, purple bead, silver bead. And then I'll go through the adjacent bead to that petal, and it's the same all the way around. I'm just placing these purple beads between the petals all the way around the ornament. If this video is too fast for you, then you can pause it at any time. Okay, I'm going to fast forward to the last silver, purple, silver pattern. And then I'm going to travel to where the ends of the wire meet up, and then I will twist it off. Twist, twist, twist. And that's what we should have. Getting a fresh piece of wire. Now I'll be putting on the opaque colored purple faceted beads. They're the same size and they're basically the same bead, only they are the solid color. Now I'm going through the silver, purple, silver, and then I will be twisting the wire or wrapping the wire around the adjacent petal. Here it goes. I'm going to wrap it around the petal, and here is where I will string on a opaque solid color bead. And then I'm wrapping the wire around the petal on the opposite side. And then I'll be going through the silver, purple, silver again. And this is the pattern all the way around again. If you've enjoyed my video, I would really appreciate you pressing the like button and subscribing to my channel if you like my channel. It really does help me out. Okay, fast forwarding again. I am going to put on the last opaque purple bead, and then I will wrap the wire around the petal, and then I will twist off the two ends of the wire. Okay, this is 6mm purple faceted beads. They are the same type of bead. They're supposed to be the same color, but they're not. They're a little bit of a different color. And you know, that's fine with me because I like mixing things up anyway. But whenever I ordered them, they were different. I'm putting the beads on through the middle and going through both sides of the bead. Getting it tight. Wrap the wire around the bead. Try to get the wire up underneath the bead so that it can't be seen. Then twist the two ends together and cut the wire. Okay, here I'm making the hanger. I have a fresh piece of wire, and I think I have 30 silver seed beads here, and I am going through the petal from the outside towards the inside of the ornament. The same place on both sides. And then I'm going to travel with both ends of the wire towards the middle of that petal. And whenever the wire meets up, I will be twisting it off. Here I am just straightening up the petals. And the ornament is completed now. I really appreciate you watching my videos, and so I hope everyone has a very nice day.